Welcome back to Dad Deals. In this video, we'll be looking at the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight Tools in December 2023. If you missed the Black Friday sale, Harbor Freight has extended the Black Friday coupons for another week, so they all are valid until Sunday, December 3rd. I did a whole video on that sale, which I'll link to below, but my top picks to check out are the US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart for $190, the 3-ton off-road Badlands jack for $280, and the Icon shop seat with that nice backrest for $70. And of course, you can still get that Icon gold ratchet in 3/8-inch or 1/4-inch drives for $38. Harbor Freight just released a new batch of Merry Christmas coupons, so sit back, relax, and let's check out what they got. First up is this Bauer 20-volt 18-gauge brad nailer. This is the tool only, so you will need to already have a battery and charger, but this is just $80, 20% off right now. A cordless brad nailer is so nice to have in your shop if you don't already have one. This is probably the cheapest one that you can get. I think this is really comparable to the Ryobi models that are in the $100 to $120 price range. A killer deal on this Bauer variable speed jigsaw is just $25. That's 50% off what it normally sells for. This also has a built-in laser guide to keep your cut straight. And it's just a really nice jigsaw. Just do keep in mind that this is the corded version and not the battery powered version. But $25 is a steal for this jigsaw. A great kit to keep in your truck for in case of emergencies is this Maddox heavy duty tire repair kit for just $15 right now. But this has everything you need in a nice slim case in case you ever get a flat tire. You can quickly patch it up yourself instead of waiting for AAA or another service to take an hour to get to you. But this comes with nice quality tools. It's not a dinky kit. And $15, that's a great price for this set. You can pick up this pretty cool Pittsburgh 1/2-inch drive extendable ratchet for $15. This can click into multiple sizes so you can adjust it to whatever size you need it to be. And of course, all those Pittsburgh tools come with that lifetime warranty, so check this one out. Some air hoses on sale. This one from the Central Pneumatic brand is a retractable 50-foot 3/8-inch hose for $60. And then Merlin has a 3/8-inch 100-foot air hose for $40. And an air compressor for sale. This is the Fortress 1-gallon 135 PSI ultra quiet job site air compressor for $130. This is a small compact air compressor, but it's rated at just 57 decibels, so you won't wake up the whole house whenever you fire it up. If you need a little bit more capacity, they have the 10-gallon hot dog style. This is the 175 PSI. It's also ultra quiet, and this is $250. These trim and molding sets are nice to have. This one's from Pittsburgh. It's just $5 if you ever need to do any interior work to your car and don't want to mess things up too much. Get these, and I'm sure it'll go a lot smoother. If you need some beefier jack stands, you can get the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty rationing jack stands that are on sale right now for $58. And these do now come in the new color of gray. I think I actually prefer some of these other colors like blue, but if gray is your thing, it's now available. And you can get the matching 3-ton floor jack with rapid pump for $120, also in that gray color. This is the Pittsburgh branded one though. You can never have enough bungee cords, and here you can get a nice multicolored pack for $15, so everything's color coded to size. And I like how these have the small metal hooks that can easily fit into tight places instead of those big plastic ones that sometimes come with them. But this is a nice set, good stocking stuffer, and just $15. Pittsburgh has this wobble socket extension set. This is a 9-piece set to get you any size extension that you need for $10. Doyle makes some great hand tools, and here we have some snips for just $14. Braun has their LED rechargeable underhood work light on sale for $60. This is great if you're working at night on your car. You can attach it right to the hood. It gives you ample light, and it's really great for other instances too, where you just need a long bar of light and you can attach it to something up above you. Icon now sells this 800 lumen work light. This is the slim bar version. It kind of has this pop out area with that slim light, but this has a magnetic end so it can attach to a cabinet or any other metal surface and give you light at any angle that you need it. But this is on sale for $25. Under the Braun brand, they have this rechargeable LED pocket light for $15. This is a nice slim light that can fit, in your shirt pocket, and more of an inspection style light for $15. And then your super bright 18,000 lumen tripod light is going to be $100. That's $30 off the normal price. But this can be used on a tripod, or it can be stood up like this and give you ample light to your work area. There's a ton of gloves for sale. I think they're counting on people grabbing some and stocking stuffers this Christmas. But you can get these water-resistant insulated dip knit gloves for $2 a pair. This more plastic version for $3 a pair. Some cowhide leather gloves for $5 a pair. Some high-vis gloves, if you need those, for $2 a pair. And if you want to blend in a little bit more, you can get these camo high-performance gloves for $10 a pair. And then one more set, we have the cowhide ball and tape adjustable wrist gloves for $5 a pair. The popular Franklin 700-pound hand truck is going to be $50. And this silver and black extreme duty 20-foot by 30-foot tarp is going to be $68. This is Harbor Freight's highest rated tarp. So if you really have extreme situations, maybe you're covering a boat or something like that, and you really want a high quality tarp, check out this one. I actually have really had good experience with their Warrior reciprocating saw blade sets. And here are two that are on sale right now. This is the 6-inch version, a 12-pack for $5. And then there's the 15-piece set version that comes in different sizes that you can get for $10. But yeah, reciprocating saws are something that you kind of use in a lot of demo work, so you kind of want a trash blade anyway most of the time. And I found that these perform adequately in those situations and are a great value for the price. I've also had really good luck with the Warrior step drill bits, but if you want to take things up a notch, you can get the Hercules version. Those are on sale right now, a 2-piece set for $30. Also from Hercules, they have their 120 grit detail sanding pads. This is a 5-pack for just $3. That's half the normal price. And normally I would say avoid sanding pads at Harbor Freight, but this Hercules brand is a pretty top-notch brand, and these are actually pretty good. Prepare yourself for opening a bunch of those annoying clamshell packaging cases that are going to come in all your kids' toys, and get this Warrior 4-volt power cutter for $25. This easily slices through that annoying packaging and can make your life a lot easier this Christmas season. You can get the Pittsburgh 72-inch level for $15. These bike utility hooks are great. This is just $1.50 right now. This is how I hang all my bikes and kids' bikes in my garage. It really gets them out of the way. They're easy to hang up and are just a great cheap solution for hanging a bunch of stuff. The Apache 3800 protective cases are going to be $30. That's 25% off the normal price. But I use my cases for everything from storing camera equipment to drones to my Oculus Quest. You can store just a bunch of stuff in these. It protects them really nicely, and you can adjust the foam insert to pretty much match anything that you need to protect. The super popular Central Machinery dust collector is going to be $130. This is the 13-gallon capacity with that 1 horsepower motor, and can be a really nice way to clean up your shop. The Bauer belt and disc sander is going to be $100. The classic pickup tool is going to be just $2. These stacking bins from Storehouse are just $2 and are kind of an upgraded version of those classic pull-out ones that everyone's dad had, the ones like you see down here. But these are great. They stack up so you can organize everything, you can label it, and can even hang them on the wall. But these are going to be just $2 each. Some earmuffs are going to be just $3. These are great earmuffs for grabbing for kids. You know, if you're going to go to any air shows or anything like that, these are great for those kind of situations. These L-shaped hang hooks, these are 2-packs, are going to be $5. These are also great for hanging things in your garage and shop and getting things off the floor and out of the way. But you can hang ladders or hoses or anything like that, and they're great for it and super cheap at just $5 a pair. The 12-inch ratcheting clamps are going to be just $3.50 a piece. This 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive socket bit set is going to be just $6. It's a 9-piece set, so it comes in all the sizes that you need, and again has that lifetime warranty. From Braun, they have this 750 lumen rechargeable ultra compact floodlight. These are really convenient to have. They can angle in any direction. They have a magnetic base to them so they can stick anywhere. The charging cable is included, and these are going to be $24 a piece and come in 4 different colors. If you know anyone getting a compressor this Christmas, get them this nice premium air compressor accessory kit. It's a 20-piece set from Merlin for just $18. This is a much better quality set than the Central Pneumatic one they sell, and can really get you started in the right direction if you're getting your first air compressor. Save your knees and get these Ranger hard terrain gel knee pads for just $13. These are great to just throw into the truck whenever you need them and can make your life a lot easier if you're doing something down low. 2 more Bauer deals. They have their 10 amp variable speed reciprocating saw for $45. This is the corded version, and also the corded version, they have their variable speed rotary hammer for $80. That's 20% off the normal price. So those are my top picks for the coupons that just released. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like it, and I'll catch you next time on Dad Deals.